What's up, gang? I know it's been a long time, but I'm back with another banger. Got some new stuff I'm gonna add to the beast. Okay, we got the Brimbos. Okay, already had this catch can, but I'm gonna relocate it after I put this intake in. I got the lug nut studs, spikes laying there, but yeah. Okay. Also got the front spoiler. These are supposed to come in red, but they're black. I haven't opened this yet, but this right here is the rear spoiler. Goes on the fin. This is some more stuff. I'm gonna actually be removing the stickers. That's the one on the hood. I actually got a new hood coming in, the Demon hood. I got my window tinted, 20%. You cannot see in there. And then I'm also taking this off, this smoke part. I'm taking that off. Taking off the Dodge emblem. Taking the RT off. Taking all these off. Okay. So, first thing I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna remove the intake and hopefully remount the oil catch can somewhere over here. I didn't have enough room because this was in the way. But since I'm about to replace this, I should have a lot of room over there. Okay, let's go. This is the NGK after about 6 to 8 months. This is it's pretty dirty. And these, you can't air blow them out and clean these. You'll have to just buy another one because these are like paper. Something like that. And this is what I'm going to switch it to. All I need is like a compressed air to blow this out. I won't have to buy another one. Let's get back to it. Now I'm about to install the engine intake. Same kind of setup as the original. This is the original. This is the new one. So they pretty much match it. Okay, let's do it. Looking real good. Got that perfect fit. Now I'm gonna attach this and also attach the airflow meter. Okay, let's go. This piece is very simple. When you get this piece, you're gonna wanna look right here and it's got an arrow. It's going that way. So you stick this piece in, you wanna turn it that way. So let me show you. Throw the arrow, I'm gonna stick it in. It's got notches. It's got notches inside. Stick it in just like this. Then you turn it. This is what the inside looks like. In there, and then you turn it. And it locks it in. There we go. Okay, let's go. It's all finished. It's tight in there. It's in there. Got the master flow sensor in there. Everything's tight. Now, I got more than enough room to move this anywhere over here. That's on another video. But if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. All this stuff is gonna get installed. Like I said, this is the spoiler, the tail, front spoiler, Brembos, lug nuts, a lot of upgrades. I'm also gonna be removing my hood, and I already ordered the Demon hood, and I'll be putting that on here, installations, and also removing all my decals, all of them. All right, thanks.